Hey y'all, welcome back to the Hebert house. I do apologize, today's video is a little choppy and a little all over the place. Obviously pregnancy tests are very emotional, so I take you through that stage, but it does involve a little bit of a shaky hand and a shaky camera. But I hope y'all enjoy this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Okay guys, so I'm out of breath because I just ran upstairs, but this is what I've found. I'm at 8 to 9 days DPO, and I don't know if you can see. Yes, you can. Okay, see the two lines here? Those are from today. And then I totally took this at a friend's house. It's a blue line test, which I don't normally take, but you can see that there is a very faint cross line. Oh my God. So I told Kevin I wouldn't buy any tests this month until my period day. So he's gonna be so mad. But with these two showing positive, how can I not? Like, y'all see that, right? I'm not like crazy. All right. Let's take it. Okay, so with the other two that I've never gotten positives on before, like last month I got the false positives on first response and like the Walmart cheapies. So these are the internet cheapies and the, oh my gosh, I'm looking a hot mess. Sorry, we've been homeschooling today, I've been cleaning and, oh my God, okay. So we're just gonna do it. Like what? Oh, I'm shaking so bad. Okay, so 11. Okay, it's doing its thing. So I'm also gonna go out air first response just because I want to see what it says too. So I'm just gonna be like brave and do all of the tests because you know I'm a big fat liar and I like to pee on things. So I guess we will just see what it says. And I'm okay if it says not pregnant because like I said, it is so incredibly early right now that, oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so shaking, that it quite possibly could definitely be negative. Oh my gosh, okay. So let's do this one. So that one's moving across. All right, so I'm going to set my timer to 3 minutes and then we'll look. Oh my God, I'm so scared, y'all. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. Put that over that. My poor husband. Like, he just knows that I get my hopes up and he doesn't want that to happen, and so he tries to protect me without me for me not testing early. But I don't know, you know, anyone who's been in this position, like you just want to know. So all right, I'm gonna let these do their thing and then we'll come back and find out. I'm shaking so bad. I can't believe I'm doing this myself. I'm really only at the most like 9 or 10 days DPO, which is either really like 8 or 9, but I just don't know. Like, I just see these lines and I just am crazy. I'm crazy for wanting to know this early or thinking that I can. So this may not even work. The Clearly Easy may not even work because it says results 5 days sooner, which technically I'm like 6 days before my missed period. So it may not even see. Gosh, I'm shaking. Y'all, I'm looking so pretty right now. Like, we've homeschooled this morning and I was cleaning and I went and saw a friend and got these tests. Oh my gosh, 5 seconds. Okay. All right. Let's see, I'm gonna do the first response first. Okay, so there is definitely a pink line there. It's, you know, it's light, but that's what it was like with Everett. See if I can get it to show up on camera. I don't even know if it will. Let me see if I can set it. And you see it. Okay, there, you can kind of see it there. Like I said, it's still so super early, but you see it. But that's what the other ones look like too. not pregnant. I mean, it really is way too early to use a digital. I really just wanted it to say pregnant. Alright guys, this is on my phone because I took another digital this morning. The one yesterday was negative. That was at an 8 or 9 DPO. So I'm trying to see if this one's at 9 or 10 because I really want to surprise Kevin. So let's look. I'm so nervous. Y'all. Oh my god, y'all. I didn't even think that it was going to be. Oh my god, am I turning around? Oh, I don't even know what to think. I'm so sorry this video is so choppy. Like, I honestly did not expect it to be positive this morning because I'm so early. So, I'm shaking so bad. Oh my god, y'all, I can't believe it said yes. I can't believe I haven't cried more. I think I'm just so excited. I'm sure it will definitely sink in. I'm gonna call the doctor as soon as they open this morning to go get a blood test, but I know that I can't keep it from Kevin that long. So I really just grabbed a bunch of things from Everett that we had and a dress I had bought before we knew Everett was a boy. And I just can't believe it. So I'm gonna show you what I got. It says, this is the board that we use at Everett's gender reveal, which is like our favorite little quote for our babies. And then I have a Daddy's Home book, a God Gave Us You book, which we love to read to Everett, the Dada book by Jimmy Fallon, and then I have a Lily dress for a girl and a little Under Armour outfit that matches Kevin's everyday attire, and the pregnancy test. It says yes. Oh my god, I can't believe it still. So we're gonna wait for him to get out of the shower. It's gonna be like the longest 10 minutes of my entire. So just a little backstory. Kevin does know that I took the strips, but he doesn't trust those. And so he said he wouldn't trust it until he got a digital. So now that I have a digital, I'm gonna surprise him. I'm still gonna call the doctor this morning and get blood tests. I'm still shaking like a leaf. I know, I can't believe I'm not crying more, y'all, but I am just so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, he should be coming out soon. Oh my gosh.
What's all this thing? What's this one? What? When did you take that? Is that why you're in the bathroom downstairs? That's crazy. Is it supposed to read it that early?
What an exciting morning. So I am going to the doctor now to get blood work done. They're just gonna check the HCG, make sure that everything is where it's supposed to be, and just confirm the pregnancy. So, oh my gosh. Y'all, I just am beside myself, like definitely can't concentrate on anything. But the biggest thing is I just thought I would cry so much more, but I haven't. Like, I have not cried that much. And I don't know if it's just that I'm still waiting on the doctor to confirm it, because I don't want to believe it until like she says, yes, you're pregnant, or if I'm just like overtaken with excitement or what. So I don't know. I guess we will see, because we're gonna go get blood work done and I should know this afternoon. So, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, let's go. Look who joins me at the doctor to get blood work. He's a little excited. All right, we got blood work done, and now we just have to wait a couple of hours and she will be calling to confirm. How you feeling, babe?
I feel pretty good.
Are you excited?
Yep, I think you might pass the test.
So Kevin's excited face, it looks a whole lot like his non-excited face. He doesn't get like super excited about things until they're like here. So once the doctor confirms, he'll be a lot more excited, I think, right?
Yes.
Why is that?
Cautiously optimistic.
I hate that. I'm just like, get excited! I will definitely let you guys in when she gives us a call.
Hey, it was positive.
We are over the moon excited about our rainbow baby and can't wait to give you all the updates of our pregnancy. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please keep us in your prayers and God bless.